Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Maytag washer LF error code in 2026. So this particular error code usually stands for long fill, meaning the washer is taking too long in order to fill with the water. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start by making sure that both the hot and the cold water supply valve behind the washer are fully open. So a partially closed valve or reduced household water pressure can slow the filling enough to trigger the LF error code. After doing so, you just have to also examine the inlet hoses for kinks, twists, freezing, or sediment buildup. The restricted hoses can reduce the water flow significantly and prevent the washer from filling within the required time. Now, inside the washer's water inlet valve are small filter screens that can collect the debris over time. So you just have to simply turn off the water, disconnect the hoses, and carefully clean these screens in order to restore the stronger water flow. So after doing this cleaning and inspections, you just have to unplug the washer or switch off the breaker for about 2 to 3 minutes to clear the code and reset the control board. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.